works as a pro, but pop-up problems of updates is a really big issue, which you surely don't like. So I'm here for you all, so let's start out here. First of all, you have to download these two files from torrents. These two files. If you have any problem because of torrent, don't worry, there is another way. Go to filestream.me from your browser. An account on this site, create one. You can use Facebook for sign up. I have created, so I don't need to create any account. Okay, as I have provided you the files of torrent, so you have to upload them here, so it can generate the HTTP link from the torrent files. What does exactly this site do? It takes the torrent file torrent file from you, and it downloads uh, in its server, and it provides you the link of that download through HTTP. So I have already downloaded these two files, which are here. Uh, Before I go further, I just want to tell you something. When you install Connectify, then Connectify checks genuinity of the product. So it connects to its server through links. That's why our main motive is to block those links which let Connectify to check genuinity of the product. So, um, and I just want to tell you something apart from this. I have tried so many times to block these URLs with host file, but somehow it gets caught. So I tried another way by using any private firewall. I have given uh, the way to block URLs in various antiviruses or uh, internet securities, which are here: medicine folder, for AVG instructions are here, so you can follow them, and you can block URLs. I think my system is a little slow, so I'm sorry. Actually, I haven't pasted the material in AVG folder, so let's check here. And these are the steps, so you have to follow them to block the URLs of Connectify. And actually I am using ESET Node 32, so I will show you how to block URLs through this antivirus. uh, so let's start. The first thing that you have to do is to install connectify.me. I'm sorry, Connectify. Okay, uh, you have to install it. Actually, I have installed it already. Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't installed it. So I'm gonna show you how to install it. You just have to install it. This is the exe file of Connectify ME. I'm sorry, I'm just pronouncing the wrong name of Connectify. This is the Connectify Hotspot Pro. It's extracting. So let me pause the video for a while. You don't have to reboot it now. Just postpone it. And after that you have to go to the files where you have downloaded. Okay, make sure that the Connectify is not running right now, so go to the task manager and check it out. uh, Connectify is not running right now because it's not showing out here. So what you have to do is just click on Connectify 8crack.exe. Just click on Activate Pro. uh, Click OK and cancel it. Okay, so here's another file, so you have to drag it out to the desktop. Okay, so just right click on it and run it as an administrator. I think it is done. So the next step is I'm sorry, you have to go to the medicine folder and copy the host file. Now go to the drive and go to the Windows folder. Now go to System32 folder. Now go to drivers folder and then etc folder and paste. The next thing that you have to do is just right click on it, go to the properties, go to the security tab and click on edit. Select all of these and deny for the right permissions for all of these. So I'm just selecting the first one, which is right, click on it. The second one is right, the third one is right and right. Yes, yes. Okay. The next thing that you have to do is go to uh, the go for the antivirus. Okay. uh, there are different methods for blocking the URLs uh, in different antiviruses. So I'm using EZ-Not32 antivirus 7. So I'm using another method to block URLs on this antivirus. So uh, I'm going with the another method. I'm just providing you the files which will tell you how to block URL in different uh, antiviruses or internet securities. Like if you are using AVG, so I haven't pasted anything here, so I will fix it later. For Bitdefender, these are the steps, so you can use them to block URLs. And this is the list of URLs uh, that you have to block in your antiviruses. And this is for Kaspersky and this is for McAfee. And for EZ-Not32 I'm showing you, so you don't need to open any file. Okay, so here I go. Just you have to go advanced setup. Okay, go to the web and email, just explore it and go to the web access protection, then URL address management. Select here list of blocked addresses. Okay, so actually I have already added all the links. So if you have to add any link here further, so you just type the name of URL. You don't need to add HTTP or HTTPS or FTP protocol name. So you can import also the also here from the file. So click on add, I'm sorry, click on add files or from file. So I am go to the desktop, go to the medicine folder, click on block.txt. Okay, I'm done. Now cancel it, and all the things has fixed up have fixed up. So now you need to just turn the computer off and restart it again. So for now I am pausing the video, and after the uh, start of computer I will resume it again. So computer has restarted. So now check it out. Is this Connectify Hotspot Pro is actually a pro? So I'm going to check it, hoping for the best. So now you can see that mm, this is a pro version. Let's check in about Connectify. Oh my god, now it is showing that license to admin at the rate on hacks.net. So I think you really enjoyed my video, so I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel, uh, and I will see you in next video. So for now, goodbye, see you later.